And I hear, and plus when I come here I see, that you seem to always go above and beyond to situate the work done in a timely fashion. Much respect.
You know, due to the fact I didn't really grow up around here, everybody would see me as like a resident alien. So most time I have to work a little harder than everyone else, you know? To try to blend in, try to show that I'm capable.
Well, like me say, you seem to be on the right path. Continue.
Well, I'm a general. I work too hard to miss a step now. You know, I'm always on the right path. I'm focused on what I have to do.
Yeah, I must say you seem very focused.
On the next note, my general, someone come to my attention that if I really want to find out about this a community outreach program where carpenters, welders, masons, people with skilled labor, you know, you the person I could check on this. Is this true?
Well, to tell you the truth, this phase of that program is mostly based and focused on creatives, you know, any form of the art forms. You see?
Oh yeah, my general. That's the one I heard about where Miss Brissett, she's heading up that little section of the community project program.
Yeah, we're collaborating on that one. Real nice lady doing, you know. And you know, we just want to see if we can unearth, discover, and expose the talents that are in this community and others.
Well, my general, I appreciate everything that you're doing for the place, but to highlight myself, I'm multifaceted. I would love to get into the little acting thing and then maybe a little dancing if y'all could show me the way, you know. It's just up to you to try to give a brother a chance, you know. I'm willing, I'm able, I'm fit. Just for you to tell me where I could squeeze in myself and try to make myself known.
Well, I must say I like your enthusiasm. Yeah. When Miss Brissett forward, I will make sure I have a reason with that. And as long as you really have some talent, there will be a place for you.
You know, seriously, I really appreciate that, Mr. King, from the bottom of my heart. Seriously, I would.
All right, my brother. Go on, do the do.
You could always count on me, my general, to do the do. Mr. King, man, respect and manners to you all the time, highly. Don't worry, we will always stay friends, always stay in touch. Don't worry about it. Walk safe and be careful. You don't know.
Good to see you.
All right, my boss.
Yo, hear me I say. See that brother there where you work alongside? I want you to keep close to him, span. I don't care how hard him a work. You see, any wrong move, have him dig an extra spot for backfill and make sure him a part of the backfill.
Selassie, aye.
Right.